How to fix Snapchat notification not working problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix your Snapchat notification not working problem. So if your Snapchat app is outdated for a few years or some unknown failure has happened to your app, it may also lead to a problem with Snapchat notification not working. In this case, what you can do is, first of all, we can check for an update. So for that, head over to your Play Store. On the search box, you need to go ahead and type in Snapchat and locate whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see update, which means that the app needs to be updated, after updating the application, wait for some time and you should be able to get your notification. Or else, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can long press on your Snapchat and go to the app info icon right on this page, and then you can go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache as well as storage. And if you click on clear storage, that's going to log you out of your account, so make sure to re-log in and try checking whether you are still able to get the notification or not. If you're still unable to fix it, then you can go to notification and make sure that the notification is enabled. If not, then it might be one of the reasons why you are unable to get a notification on Snapchat. If nothing seems to be working out, in that case we can uninstall or delete the Snapchat app from our Android or iPhone device, and once again reinstall the latest version of app, and at the same time restart your device, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, sometimes there might be a server issue, and all you can do is wait patiently for 24 to 48 hours and it should be working for at least a couple of hours, and it should be able to work. So that's how you can fix your Snapchat notification not working problem. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.